In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a visitor's email address on Krisp Live Chat in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process can greatly enhance your ability to follow up with potential customers and ensure you're providing the best possible service. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Krisp. If you're already familiar with this tool, just head straight to the login page and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to app.krisp.chat, where you'll find the dashboard filled with various options to manage your chat features. Now, we're focusing on the Triggers section, which is a powerful part of Krisp that allows you to automate messages based on certain actions or behaviors. Triggers can be a game changer in creating a responsive and engaging chat experience for your users. So, let's go ahead and set up a new trigger by selecting the relevant option. When you're setting up this trigger, it's helpful to give it a descriptive name, something like Request Email. This will make it easier for you to identify the trigger later if you need to make any adjustments or review its performance. Next, you need to set the trigger action to display a message. The message should be polite and clear, such as, "To best assist you, could you please provide your email address?" This request is a simple and effective way to gather essential contact information while assuring the user that it's for their benefit in getting the support they need. A great feature of Krisp is the ability to customize when this trigger appears. You're not limited to a one-size-fits-all approach. You can set the trigger to pop up on specific pages where visitors might need more detailed assistance, or base it on user behavior, such as the number of pages viewed or time spent on the site. This context-savvy strategy helps in tailoring your approach to different visitor needs and scenarios. It's also wise to include a short delay before the message appears. This prevents the user from feeling bombarded with messages as soon as they land on your site. A brief pause can make the interaction seem more natural, allowing visitors time to settle in before the request for their email pops up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up an effective and user-friendly way to capture email addresses from visitors on Krisp Live Chat. This simple addition can significantly enhance your customer interaction strategy, making it easier to stay connected and follow up with your visitors in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.